This is a PS5 digital editions, and now I will show you the way to reduce the pen noise of PlayStation 5. To do that, we should open the plate of PlayStation 5. You should choose the right direction of plate, not this PS logos on side, the reverse one. This is it. As you see, there is no Starbucks mark in original PlayStation 5, and there is nothing on this logo on this plate. And you should remove this plate by pushing this side and this side, this edge, and the bottom and the other fingers move upward and push in the right down, which means power buttons side. Now let's see. Okay, this is it. Next to do is prepare some screwdrivers. Which we need is T8 star type of screwdriver, which means this, as you see, T8. Yeah, and the next one is silicone washer, 2.2 millimeters, 6 millimeters diameter, and 2 millimeters of thickness. This is it, silicone washers, which assembled with the screws in PlayStation 5's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, and then remove this parts, but just pulling up. Okay, and use the T8 type screwdriver and remove the covers of pen. And remember, the 4 screws of PlayStation 5's, their length is different. Side by side, everything is different. So you should keep in mind which one is right side. Okay, and prepare like this one. Because I always place the silicone washers on this PlayStation 5, I just show how it can be applied on this system. Okay, this is it. As you see, I placed silicone washers this side, and this is 4 screw. Silicone washer is assembled with this kinds of screws. So push like that. And then this is the PlayStation 5's pen. It's a neat expand. As you see, this is the screwdriver side, has silicone washers inside, and this one and this one, there's nothing. No, that is it. Because I already placed, it was stocked. So place the screw silicone washers every side of loop hole of screwdrivers, and place the pen and adjusting the side, adjusting it just like this one. And then make the cover of it. And just assemble it. Remember, you don't need to assemble the drivers very hard. So just use your power very softly, just attached, not tight.